Hey guys, today we're talking about something that's super important, but often overlooked: the microphone locations on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. Apple has strategically placed the microphones on the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro to ensure top-notch sound quality, whether you're on a call, recording a video, or using voice commands. First up, the primary microphone is located on the bottom edge of the phone, right next to the charging port. This is the main mic used during calls and for most audio recordings. But that's not all. There's another microphone cleverly placed on the back, right near the camera module. This secondary mic helps capture clear audio when you're shooting videos or using apps like FaceTime. And finally, Apple has included an additional microphone on the top edge of the device. This one is part of the noise canceling system, making sure background sounds don't interfere with your calls or recordings. These multiple microphones work together to deliver crystal clear audio in almost every situation. Whether you're recording a podcast, shooting a vlog, or just chatting with friends, you can count on your iPhone to capture great sound. So, that's a quick breakdown of where the microphones are on the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.